Now let's take a close look at the test process. The most visible part of testing is test execution, but the testing process includes other stages. The fundamental test process consists of the following main activities: test planning and control, the activity that defines the objectives of testing, specifies the test activities in order to meet the objectives and mission. And test control is the ongoing activity of comparing actual progress against the plan, reporting the status, including deviations from the plan. Test analysis and design also complies with the basic features that are reported in over test planning and control. Test implementation and execution is the activity where test procedures or scripts are specified. The environment is set up, the tests are run. It includes finalizing, implementing and prioritizing test cases, developing and prioritizing test procedures, executing test procedures, comparing the actual results with expected results, and logging test activities. Regarding the stage of evaluating exit criteria and reporting, this is the activity where test execution is assessed against the defined objectives by checking test logs against the exit criteria specified in test planning. Reporting involves writing a test summary report for stakeholders. Test closure activities collect data from completed activities, test activities, to consolidate experience, test wear, facts, and numbers. They occur at project milestones such as when a system is released, when a test project is completed or cancelled, when a milestone is achieved, or a maintenance release has been completed. These stages apply to all levels and types of testing, but there are many differences. For instance, component test might be less formally documented than system test. Another example, we need to plan and prepare for reviews, carry out the reviews, and evaluate their outcomes. So, for instance, in inspections, we will have exit criteria and we will go through closure activities. The plan is made and documented, and progress should be controlled. Building the software requires a different mindset to testing it. For example, remember that software includes documents. If you write a document, you'll review it to check that it makes sense and has no spelling mistakes. You might also ask someone else to read it and check it for typographical errors. When we review, we must be critical of our own document. When we ask others to review, we are asking them to be critical of the review of the document. That doesn't mean that developers are different from testers. Developers are testers. They will test their own work before releasing it to others for further testing. Developers are thus critical for their own work and will try to find defects before releasing their work product.